The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. It's time to rock and rumble. Let's see what the markets have been doing overnight. And Q, after that big move down yesterday, we've been kind of rebounding. And Q got down to 920 on its opening hourly candle. Hit a high of 11,051, so math is about 130 points of range. Copper dropping. Just made a new low. 160 ticks. Gold. You know, gold was hemming and hawing here. Me and Hassan thought, yeah, you know what, keeps, kind of, it's going to go down. We were wrong. As it's up to, hit a high of 1871. 30 points of range. Huge range in gold. Ultra Bond also been moving just about 2 points up. Good morning, JC. Hey, Sorem. Sorry if I mispronounced that. How you doing today? Crude's been dropping. Just made a new low. And about 3 points of range. And last but not least, natural gas fighting to stay above 4. Still surprising to me. And about 160 ticks of range. Bitcoin hanging around 16.8. Doge heading up. Tesla still under 110. That's where we stand, or whatever body position you want to be in. Ended up being green yesterday, even though I ended the stream red. I did some trading afterwards and ended up green. Hopefully having another green day. Not the band. That'd be weird. Quick charting here. Made some nice moves down. There. And there. Two nice wins here recently. Just try to pop back up now. I like this down, up move. My apex ready to rock and rumble. Little pop there. Don't want to take that. We'll see if it gets back up to those other EMAs. That's what we'll see. We shall see what we shall see. Big move down here by copper over the last 2 hours or so. It's a $1,500 move there. Ultra Bond pulling back a bit. Good morning, Deb. How are you today? Apex chart over there for now. Oh, snowed in. Well, if you want to talk about weird weather, It was yesterday, January 3rd, Central Illinois, and what do I hear about 4 o'clock in the afternoon? The emergency broadcast system on the TV. Tornado warning. About 6 funnel clouds in and around this area yesterday. One did some damage about 12 miles north of here. No one hurt that I've heard of or anything like that. They weren't like strong, huge tornadoes or anything, but yep. 3 different tornado warnings yesterday in January. Hey, Dave. So far, I mean, we were that system that came through right before Christmas. We were supposed to get a bunch of snow from that, and then it changed, and we barely got any. So we've barely got any snow so far. But yeah, and get this. This is the other amazing thing. You know, I believe it was December 23rd. So about 10, 12 days ago. We hit negative 40 in wind chills. And yesterday we hit near 70 degrees in the positive side. So in a span of like 10, 12 days, whatever, the temperature fluctuated over 100 degrees in range. So that wasn't good. It did not take that long there. Pull back. And then, after getting almost 70 yesterday, now today they don't want it to give above 35 or so. Oh, wow, JC. Talk about being right on that rain snow line. So yeah, I thought I was gonna get a free trip to Oz yesterday, but it didn't happen. Looking up. News this morning. Let's see what we got. We have. Looks like there's a lot of Europe stuff overnight. French, Spanish, German, Eurozone, UK mortgage, so on and so forth. Anyway, at 8:55 U.S. Red Book, that really doesn't usually move the market. But at 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock's our big stuff today. US ISM manufacturing PMI, the U.S. JOLTS job openings, U.S. ISM manufacturing prices paid, so on and so forth. And of course, later this afternoon at 2 o'clock Eastern, FOMC meeting minutes. Oh, you two are almost neighbors, you and JC. News after the bell today is now we're kind of hanging around this EMA. That's the word I'm looking for. Pull them back down. Technically, that would have been a trigger candle back down, but I wasn't really thinking about that. 56 down there. 55 so far has only gone a point and 2 points. The frozen tundra of Minnesota. And pulling down. So I should have taken that short. Wasn't really thinking about it. I'm not sure why. That was me thinking we were heading up and getting biased. See if it goes my 2.5 or 2 points. I know California is supposed to be getting some really bad weather too, especially Northern California. I know G-Man lives in that area. Haven't heard from him since yesterday afternoon, so hope he's okay. And we're popping back up again. This might be that big move down and then right back up. So hopefully we're done with tornadoes here in central Illinois until, like, I mean, prefer to be done totally, but at least until spring. Just kind of hanging here at 38.55. Trying to decide what it wants to do. Copper continues to fall. Gold's continuing to go up. Now gold's pulling back now as well. It's trying to pop up. Good morning, Matt. kind of hanging here. How you doing today, Matt? How's your weather? Snow, rain, or just cold? We're hanging here again, just not doing anything right now. Top of the hour, about 15 minutes away. Let's see if that brings some new volatility in. It's been moving pretty well overnight, so expect it to. Should get one of those little map thingies to see how many states and countries are how many states and countries come and watch MightyOxTrading. Good morning, Burl. Oh, big flush back down there. Oh, big move there. The 4-point candle. I need to find someone that wants to do a website for me. Actually, I have registered MightyOxTrading.com. That'd be something more for a website. Can't really do that on YouTube. So I suck at designing. I used to be a good web designer back in like 20 years ago. But now I suck at it because all my ideas are like from 20 years ago, and I don't know how to use all the fancy stuff anymore, like WordPress. So it just popped back up, got down to 51.75. So let's look at our lows of the day. See here, I mean, the low of the day was the very first candle. Got down to looks like 38.39. Just broke this recent low here. Next support might be 38.47. Good morning, Dakota. Good afternoon, Jay. Yeah, guys, I'm not crazy. Jay's in Romania, so I believe is it afternoon yet there? Yeah, it's afternoon in Romania. Good morning, John Doe. Bet you that's not your real name. If it is, be careful. It seems like a lot of John Does end up dead. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, we've been talking about weather more than price action, but that's because the price action was boring until that big move down. Now it looks like we're pushing down. But anyway, if you're enjoying today's stream, or if you expect to enjoy today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. We've been growing nicely here, getting good viewership, good amount of views. It's going to continue to grow the channel. Morning, Crypticon. It's early for you. Pushing down to 38.50 here. Let's see if it breaks through. Yeah, Matt's here. Why? I don't think there's any way to get rid of those Ninja Air boxes. Popping back up to 38.53. It seems like it's a requested feature that they have not. Like Matt, like if a NinjaTrader, like say, it sometimes will send if something like flushes down quick and there's a order setting and it doesn't take the. I mean, it sends an error sometimes that a trade's already happened or something like any error box. He wants to get rid of any error boxes in NinjaTrader so they don't get in the way of his trading. Especially since he's using a trade copier, I guess, and like a bunch will pop up at once. Basically, he wants to know if there's any way to turn off error messages in NinjaTrader. Good morning, Mr. G. Yeah, you know, when Crypt asked the other day, I did do a quick Google search, and then I landed on Ninja's forum or whatever. It says it's a requested feature, but the feature's been requested for a couple of years and they haven't done anything. Popping right back up, trying to gain back that candle, that whole candle that was down there. I actually like this setup. Let's see if it gives it to us. Maybe right back down. Could be doing the same thing it did there. That's a bearish engulfing, I assume. Right, maybe right back down. Thanks for that reminder, G. Up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Which which, okay. Mr. G wants to know which type of trades have worked out better for you recently. Breakouts or reversals? I'm in long here on this yes. Well, I couldn't think of what I was trying to say there, but okay. A lot of people, yeah, give me a minute, G. After I'm done with this trade, I will. And CryptoCon, a lot of people just watch. They. It's kind of like Discord, There's 180 people in the MightyOxTrading Discord, and I think I see people, about 20 of them chat. Pushing up. Pulling back. Yep, it's home. Home on the range. Back to my entry. Tighten this stop just a tad. It's Apex, Matt. I'm just, that's why you're seeing the Ninja chart. Finally figured out a way to, the reason I didn't like using Ninja with, on stream is because the Streamlabs doesn't like to pick up the Ninja charts for some reason, but now I've gotten it to work, at least now. Top of the hour. And it's pulling back. I should have got out before the top of the hour. Pull back. Yeah, I'm curious too. Supposedly, Elite Trader funding, it's somewhat. I thought they announced it the other day, but I haven't played with it. Haven't seen whether it's actually working or not. I don't like to be the guinea pig. Back to my entry. Let's see if it pops back up here. There you go, G. There's your poll. There we go. Good morning, Leonardo. What's weird is on that NinjaTrader window, it actually cuts out the top part. It actually, I mean, it just shows the chart. It doesn't show the buy and sell buttons, and I'm not sure how or why that happens. We're up 2 ticks here. There we go. Come on, rise up. Rise up. There we go. There's touching that 100. EMA. Going for the break. I'm out there. That was a 2-point winner, I think. 2 points. So $100 winner. Start the morning. Hello, Freighter. Oh, good way to start the morning. Got out there because we saw it getting up to this 100 EMA. Now, if it breaks through, it breaks through. But yeah, it just broke through. Wow. So I could have got at least another point off of that. There's a breakthrough to 200. But I'm not upset. I got the $100. Moving on. Bobby Anderson prefers to wait till after the bell, though, right? Nice push up. So obviously I got out too early, but hey. This is where once I can do more than one contract safely, getting out with one, staying in with one, moving good here. Back up to 38.59 in this area here. You can see we got up to about 65 over here. We consolidated in the 60s before moving down. Thank you, JC. Thank you, Dakota. Pulling back a little bit there. Cat's bugging me to be petted. So 1 for 1 in the morning. Pulling back a tad after the break of the 200. Got up to 38.59.5. Yeah, it does seem like that. Seems like a good guy. Seems like a cool guy. Pulling back here a bit. Three red candles, giving back that last big green candle. Down to 38.57. You see NQ popped up there as well. I haven't really checked what crude's doing. Since I went back to Apex here on the stream, I haven't really been doing crude. Kind of erratic there, but now that's heading up as well. Yes, pushing up, 38.60. Now I could have got back in on a trade here once I got out basically here. Could have got back in on a trade here when it broke the 200. Pulled back there by 6 ticks, but now it's heading higher. Can it take us higher? It is now puking. Sure y'all wanted to know that. Glad Ace wasn't here. That'll probably give him PTSD flashbacks. Up to 38.60. So yesterday, after the stream, I kept trading on the Apex account. I remember if I ended the stream down $200, but I ended the day up 125, I believe it was. And I ended the day up on the Earn to Trade funded account by like 31 bucks. So it was actually a positive day to start the year. I'm gonna try um, to at least tweet my you know uh, daily results, and eventually that might go to a video each day with a quick rundown of results and trades and stuff. Got to start working on the funded account to earn the trader. It's sitting about $400 away from its drawdown, so I've been very careful with it. But yeah, I need to start doing something with it. It's not doing any good just sitting there. Sitting here at 38.61. Try to see where we want to go. No news at 8:30 again. All the news is after the bell, except for the red book thing, which never moves the market at all. Hanging here. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Ultra bond market opens in about 6 minutes. It's still spotty, not really awake yet. Good morning, Robin. How is Robin today? Ox is doing all right. Was not transported to Oz yesterday. Yep. There was actually damage about 12 miles north of here. Tore up a silo. We're hanging around 38.60. Remember, we consolidated. Well, no, we didn't. I was wrong. This is the area we consolidated in a little bit higher. We're hanging here. See if it wants to push up. I know I don't want to do any push-ups right now. It's like 66 was our high of the day. Hung around there a couple times. Kind of double topped there. Triple topped, really. Let's see if it gets back up there. Put one back a bit now, back under 60. Bitcoin not really doing anything. Tesla not really doing anything. Just fun. It's been. Obviously I don't trade stocks, but it's been fun to watch Tesla's fall. Back. 38.61 came back rising up. We're a little bit boring price action right now. One for one so far in the morning. $100. Looking for more. Looking for points in all the wrong places. As we continue, so a little dip and then back up. Didn't really touch that EMA. $20 seconds until UB opens. See Q pushing up here. Q reaching up to 11,028. See what the Ultra Bond does here. Oh, ain't knocking our socks off. Not actually wearing socks. You see NQ pushing up and Ultra Bond pushing up. ES also doing that. Up to 64. Nice move up. Can it get above the 65 area? Remember I said it kind of triple topped in this area with a high of 66 and a quarter. Somewhere around there. So this would have been a good trade right here to grab after it came down. This is where, like I said before, I've got this trade right here where I got in here, got out there. This would have been a good entry, and this would have been also a decent entry, although it really didn't touch that EMA to bounce. Now we're hanging around 38.63. I do. It's going for high day here. I'm gonna try. It just actually hit high day to the tick. So let's see if it can break on through to the other side. Did new high 38.67 quarter. Yep. And now that my digestive issues have seemed to resolve finally after about 2 weeks. Next week I'll be restarting my ketovore. An effort to finally get healthy this year. I'm gonna get rich. I'm gonna need to get healthy to be able to enjoy it. Still rising up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row. Back. Nice job there, Matt. Very nice. It's weird, Matt. With the Bob Anderson trades, looks like going long I struggle with, but going short I see it well. I'm not sure why. Eh, nothing wrong with getting the profit there, Matt. Especially since we're nearing the former high a day. You know, thought we could have struggled there because we did kind of triple top earlier. So, continuing up here, 38.68 new high. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm not sure why I have trouble with the longs. It just excellent. It's like Bob Anderson's. I had to reach out to Bob sometime. Maybe try and get him on the stream one day. But I need to figure out how to do that. Still rising up here. 38.69. Let's see what he thinks. I'll need to figure it out how to do it, but I can start working on that. See, NQ, no, NQ is not at its high day. Is a ES. Let's check to see what ES looks like on an hourly. You see, it's at its high day. Nowhere near its high yesterday, though. High yesterday, 39.06. Still about 40 points away from there. Pulling back a little bit. Pulling back just a tad. 38.67, 38.69 quarters where we got to the high. That was a fun game from Atari back in the early 80s. Breakout. Pulling back down here a little bit. Copper popping back up a little. Ooh, big pop up actually. Quite a bounce there. Gold. Wow. Look at that bounce on gold. About the same time copper started bouncing. Copper 12.50 a tick. Morning hip hop, Joshua, Kevin. Welcome everybody. We're hanging around 38.66. Ultravond. It's open there, popped up a bit, pull right back. It's kind of stagnant. Got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. 7th day. Burl's shining up the gold bars that are in his closet. hanging here. Consolidation. So I've taken one trade so far this morning. 2 points, $100. Good morning, script trader. How you doing? Agriculture has been coming down. Down, down, down. TC. Which way are we gonna go? Hello, citizen. Oh, sorry, Jay. We'll just pick one. I forgot it stays in the way if you don't pick something. Judah, no, I've never used Tasty Trades. That's a good point, Jay. I didn't think about it when I created it. I will keep that in mind for the future. I've heard decent things about Tasty Trades, but no, never used them. You know, if they're too tasty, I probably wouldn't want to use them since I am trying to lose weight. Unless they're carb free. Yeah, nice to see everyone here this morning. Of the 40 viewers, do want to thank everyone for joining me. Uh, Remember, if you're always welcome to join in the chat, questions and comments are always welcome. Pulling back here a bit, dipping down. It's different than dipping dots. Jay. Dip and back up here. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Well, when you can't find the good trading channels, you know you can always end up here. Hanging here at 38.66. So we had that nice move up, kind of consolidating, a little dip. Let's see where we want to go from here. We are less than an hour from the bell. Less than 25 minutes until the energy is open with crude oil. Let's see what crude's been doing. Haven't really paid attention to it this morning, but it's been rising up. Hanging around 75. Ultra bond coming back up. That just near tie day. Tie day was established on its when its market opens, and there's tie-in the high day. Oh, there's a push-up, so I should have, this dip. I should have went back and taken the long here. Although it's slippage, yeah, I need another tick for that to have been considered successful. See if it gets it. Right now, so far it hasn't. A loper. Kind of hanging here right now. Pull back. So did not really get 2 points. Unless I would have got it with like no slippage. And it looks like it wants to head down. Just slightly lower high here. Do, do, do. So yeah, that would not have worked. Let's see if this down move works or if it's going to bounce again. We'll just watch. Obviously not in on this trade. Yeah, there's the bounce. That's the goal. Finished positive yesterday, even though I ended negative on the stream, kept trading. I finished positive on both Apex and earned a trade. Crude's pulling back. Most days. I'll love it more when I start actually making some money from it. There we go. So this would have actually worked. This would have been a 2-point trade. Hey G Cart, glad to see you. Yeah, she's buying the dip. You know, I used to say never doubt Elon Musk, but I don't know. Elon's focus is lost. Tesla's at 109 right now. Interesting to see where that ends up at the end of the year. So back up. Our high was established back here, 38.69 and quarter. We are 2 ticks away from the high. See if we double top. Just touched it to the tick. Tick touch. Which is different than TikTok. Yep, new high. Can it take us higher? There's 70. Oil also popping up there. Gold continuing its move up. Second sneeze I had to quickly mute for, so I didn't blow your ears out with a large sneeze. Hey CBR, how's it going? Pulling back. Hello, Hassan. Hey, Hassan, we were both wrong about gold last night. Hey, John, no, I have a funded Gauntlet Mini, but I had a TCP in the past. If you have any questions about it, I can always answer them. I am like a mod on the NinjaTrader Discord and all that good stuff too. Pushes up, or trying to push back up. Let's see if it fails. Not that I'm trying to call ES a failure. That was a smart idea, Hassan, getting out real quick. Yeah, I looked at that this morning and I'm like, wow. We're in the middle of those two zones, as Mr. G pointed out. Remember, no news until after the bell. Well, Red Book is actually in 5 minutes, but Red Book doesn't usually do anything to the market. Yep. 10 a.m. news today, and a bunch of it. We're going to get jolted. The JOLTS job openings report, the ISM manufacturing PMI report. And of course, remember, if anyone's trading into the afternoon today, we have FOMC meeting minutes. Wow, Mr. G, we're like sharing a brain right now. So here we see this up, down move. I think might be coming down. Good morning, Ace. How are you doing today? You're welcome, JC. I'm doing all right. Still here after yesterday's tornado scare. Yeah, January 3rd, Decatur, Illinois gets a tornado warning yesterday because, we went from being negative 40 a week and a half ago to almost 70 yesterday. So, yeah, just sitting there and I hear the emergency broadcast thing go off on the TV as a tornado warning. Apparently, one touchdown about 12 miles north of here. There were 6 in the area total. It's always fun hearing the tornado sirens go off. I just sit here staring at my computer. I was hoping for a trip to Oz, not the prison. But yeah, Decatur, Illinois is not supposed to get tornadoes in January. Wow. Yeah, I mean, living in Illinois, it's always a chance. Though in the cities, it's rare. It's more the little towns that end up being in the way. Pushing down here. Sort of a 2-point trade. I considered it because it is up, down move. But I didn't take it just because it was above the moving averages. But looks like it's trying to come back down now. Swing low, sweet chariot. Yep. You see, we got down to this 38, 64, 75 a couple times. Just kind of hit it again. Got one tick lower. Let's see if it continues to push low for ace. Nice. Oh yeah, look at UB pushing up. Little bounce there, and then nice move. Great job, Dakota. Stalling here around 38.65 on ES. Crude market opens in about 3 minutes. Hey, John, how are you doing today? Morning, Speed Racer. Vroom, vroom. Yep. There's a move down for Ace. Nice. Okay, Borneo. We'll keep that in mind. 38.55. No need to apologize, Dakota. The end of what era, Joshua? Ooh, big pop back up. uh, this is why your wife loves you so much, Ace. Tell Mrs. Ace I said hi. I said tell Mrs. Ace I said hi. Oh, cool. Ace, I assume you got out of that short. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you should stay in it. Wow, that was a quick push back down. Wow. Top of the hour, quick push down. Down. Wow. Never mind. Hope Ace, I hope you're still in that short. uh, and wow, big bouncing here. I like big bounces that I cannot lie. So we pushed from 66 down to 62 and up to 67. That was a quick whip there. Whip it good. Oh, we have a Fed speaker speaking that wasn't on the not on the schedule, and he says increasing evidence that inflation may have peaked. It's appropriate to continue interest rate hikes at least at the next few meetings until we are confident that inflation has peaked. Seemed like there weren't any Fed speakers like almost the entire month of December. They must have took the month off for Christmas, so now they're back. Thank you for that vote of confidence there, TC. Yeah, I mean this channel started when the bear market was already in full swing. Pushing down. Good call on this short here. Breaking through the 100. Tickling the 200. It's a 200 tickler. Sounds like the name you would give to a criminal. We're short here. See if we can break through. I'm seeing Financial Juice post what he's saying. Yeah, Financial Juice is he's forecasting 5.4% as the target rate. Yeah, it wasn't on the calendar. I just seen it. I just happened to look at Financial Juice. I saw that big whip there at the top of the hour, and whenever I see something like that, I try to quickly check to see if there's something that's triggering that. Looks like this might pop back up on me here. That was late on this short. Sandwiched between the 100 and 200 right now. Yep. Trying to give this some room, but this may pop up here. Nice, script trader. There we go. There we go. Come on, push down. Nope, bounced. Bounced on that 200 again. They may get out here if it comes back up and breaks that 100 back up. We are about 23 minutes until the bell. In this trade here, that I feel like it wants to push down further, but so far it's not. It's made a nice sandwich between the 100 and 200 EMA. My entry is 3861.75. Down a point right now. Come on, Fed guys, say something that's going to make the market crash. Yep, popping up. Try to give it a little bit of room. Down 6 ticks right now. Back under that 100. I am short. Just hanging in this 3862 area. Hopefully for a push down. Sideways. Down 7 ticks. Up to the EMA. Let's see if it bounces or breaks. Looks like it's going to stop me out. Well, maybe not. It's trying to beat it down. Counting down toward the bell. There we go. Yeah, push that back down. Back down to that 200. Back down to my entry. See if it can break that 200 here. If it doesn't break it, I'm gonna get out. Another bounce on it. Back to my entry. Yep, pop back up. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised myself, RJ. Good morning. Yeah, NQ just more whippy. We look at the Ultrabond. Yeah, Ultrabond was liking something. Nice move up. Quick pullback there. 15 minutes till the bell. ES still sandwiching between the 100 and 200 here. Probably should have got out when I got back to break even, but I'm an idiot. Yeah, maybe not as much of an idiot as I thought. Watching the bids and the asks, trying to see if this wants to push down or not. Hanging in this 62 to 63. Nope. Back up. In this trade for almost 15 minutes now. Move my stop to the tops of these candles here. There we go. There's a break of the 200. Out there, took the point. Some patience paid off. $50 winner. A 38.61.75 to 38.60.75. Got out there because I mean it might push down further here, but it's still bouncy. So I thought for sure that was going to stop me out. It didn't. Got the $50 winner. Thank you, Speed Racer and Heavies. And I got out at the right time. Look at that. Big move back up. So 2 for 2 on the morning. $150. Wow, there's 47 people here, really? Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining us today as we head toward the bell. 2 for 2, small wins, but they add up. And now we'll probably stay flat until after the bell. Thank everyone for joining me this morning. Feel free to say hello in the chat. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe and join the herd. I see we did get some new subscriber went up, total went up. So if you just subscribed, welcome and thank you. So hanging out this 38.61 level, 2 for 2 on trades. Let's continue to move forward. It looks like I definitely got out at the right time. It tries to push up. So there's the push up. And pull back. Staying above that EMA. Right back down. See that 120 is kind of converged. Staying above that 200. It's about 6 minutes till the bell. 6.5. Will we go up or down? Thanks, Jay. Crude oil coming down, so we were in that trade, so we really didn't look at the crude oil opening. It was ugly, and now it's coming down. Yep, crude's falling. That was a last candle was a 29 tick candle, and now it's falling even further. And pushing back up. So down, up, down, up. Kind of looks like it wants to go up. But like I said, staying flat until after the open. Yikes. That's a big amount of money. Hey, Avi, thank you. Good morning. See, there we go. Pushing up and up. Up, 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 up. That was annoying, wasn't it? Sorry about that. Crude tried to bounce there. Now giving the bounce all the way back. Bouncing baby crude. I don't know. Never know what exactly is going to come out of my mouth. So whatever, earlier, a few minutes ago, Dakota said UB is liking something, and looks like all of a sudden it decided to hate it, whatever it was liking. Like a 2-year-old. I love that. I hate it. Or a teenager. Copper, nice pop there. Crude oil, the other oil. Gas, that's it. Natural gas. Nice move up. Speaking of likes, if you haven't hit that like button, I'd appreciate if you did, if you're enjoying the stream. If you're not, well, kind of question why you're still here. Wow, big move up here on ES. So bounce there, got down to 38.60 exact in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. It's popped up by 8 points as we head into the bell. High day was 38.70. Sorry about the hissing sound there. Pull one down. So we are less than a minute to the bell. Zing, zing, zing. Pushing up here right before the bell, trying to get up to that high day right before we ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling. Ding, 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 ding. Ding dong, ding dong. Hey, pushing down. Initial. Down about a point. Not making a big move yet. Down about 2. Crude pulling back a bit. Okay. There's a push down, but down about 3 now. Still nothing to write home about. Not that I think anyone ever write home about price action. Dear mom and dad, I watched the candle go down 3 points today. Hope you are well. Bouncing on the EMA, right back up. Quick bounce. Head of steam, just hit the high day to the tick. A high Globex, I guess you could say. And rejected. Swatted away, back down. Wow, big time swat. Hit 70 and then all the way back down to 64. Crude also pushing down. Crude really pushing down over there. Right hand side of the screen. And ES really pushing down as well. Broke through the 100 and 200. Down to 38.60. Big bounce. Right back up. Wow, down to 59. So down 10 points in less than 2 minutes. Hit 70, then hit 59. $59 seems to be where it's struggling right now. You see it bouncing here, kinda. And we did, on this move up, we did pull back to 59.25 before heading up further. So it's a possibility this is a support area. But it's like a deadbeat father and doesn't care about support. Boom! Wow, I was going to take that short there too. I should have. I was worried about that support. Darn it. So 15 points here in 3 minutes. Of course, NQ is also falling. It hit a high of 11,041. It's already down to 65, so that's an 80-point drop there. Ultra Bond, not really doing much at all. Big pullback. Dow's down 670. Copper pulled back. There's a bounce on ES, back up some. Opening 5-minute candle will close in 30 seconds. You can see this is the 5-minute candle, down 10 and a half. Kind of retreating here though now. Only down 8.5. And that's the close of that opening 5-minute candle, down 7.75. So, I mean, it obviously went down much further than that, but recovered a bit, and now they move back up. Let's go back to our 1. Yeah, look at that rise up. Trying to get it all back. $38.67. Are we going to break high day again? Or touch it again, I should say. Double top to 38.70. They're going for it again. Didn't quite get there. Theoretically, that's a trigger candle, but I don't like 7.5-point trigger candles. And you can see why right there. It's pulling back. Yep, broke high day, and I should have taken it. Second one I said in this last 5 minutes. Both of these trigger candles would have worked. Boom and boom. 38.72 is high. And it continues to rise. Yesterday high, 39.06. Still ways to go before that. Awesome, bro. Nice, JC. Looks like it may be running out of a little steam here. Hit 38.75 and a quarter. Ejected back down to 38.70. Let's see if it. Pushing back down to 38.69. Oh, yeah, big rejection here. Yep, up, bounce right back up. Yes, it does. G. Nice, Burrow. There's a push back up. See if we can get through that 75. Trying. I think again, I think again, I think again, I think again. Nope. I mean, it got up to 75 and a half, but got swatted again. Yep, I kind of figured that, Burrow. Oop, there it is. There's the break. There's the break. 38.77. Still got a ways to go before yesterday's highs. Pushing. 78.75 new high. Tesla's leading the charge, up about $4 a share today. You know, definitely seeing some, pretty big volatility here in the first two trading days of the year. Big candles. Definitely more than what we're seeing the last couple of weeks of the year, obviously. See crude pushing down, 74, just staying right above 74. Yep. Again, about a 4-point pullback here for ES. About, wow, whipping down. Quick moving right now. Almost NQ like, but I'm sure if we looked at NQ, we'll see how wild that is right now. See, last 2 minutes, NQ came down 21 points and then 20 points. Now another 5, so about 45 points down. And there's ES breaking the 20. Maybe for 2 5s and a 10. Strong move back down. Wow. Big candle. Big candle down. Back to Burrell's entry. Hanging here right above the 200 EMA. Bouncing on it. Taking a short here. Yeah, probably going to regret it. Oh, we'll see. Not regretting it. Not regretting it at all. There's my chart. I'm going to get out here. Out there. I got 2.25 points right before it bounced. So another nice win there. $112. You can see the entry 62.75 out 60.50. Quick move. I mean, it was literally seconds there. But now I am up 262 on the day. Three for three. Thank you. That was quick. Look at that bounce. I mean, that was... Thank you, Burrow. Nice bounce back up. Putting you back into profit here, Burrow. See if we can get back above. Thank you, Avi. Trying to get back above that 20. Oh, rejecting off of it. Crude heading down, still heading down. Here, crude new low a day actually, or yeah, new low a day. Natural gas hit a new high day. Ultra bonds trying to bounce back up. Now we're hanging right around 65. Now we're 3 for 3 today, $262 in profit. I'm pushing right back down. Thanks, Dakota. And there's the push back up to 68. Technically a trigger candle up, not taking it though. Not 100% sure. Oh, thank you, JC. Good reminder. We do have news in 10 minutes. We're gonna get jolted by the jobs report, the jolts jobs report, as well as some PMI. You can rewind Dace and watch it. It happened real quick. I mean, I did a lot in that 1 minute. I entered the trade, had to quickly grab I reset the stop, showed the chart, and got out of the trade all in 1 minute. Yep, a lot of wicks. Enough RJ, I stayed fully clothed while doing it. It's not going to stick anymore for you, Ace. I'm still eating carbs today, so yeah, I'll take some waffles. I don't know, Burl. That hasn't worked for me. That strategy hasn't worked for me with winning the lottery. Speaking of lottery, Mega Millions is up to almost $1 billion. Hi, George. There is not yet. I was actually thinking about doing that video this weekend. It needs done because people keep asking for it. I've hesitated because I haven't shown consistency with it yet. But that's more because of my psychology than it not working. But I'll see if I can go get that done this weekend, maybe, George. Now we're just stagnant here at 38.65. You're welcome, and thank you, George, for asking and being a part of the channel. We're approaching 5 minutes. We're going to stay flat here most likely until after the news. Again, reminder folks, not only do we have news now, but if you're going to trade into the afternoon, you have FOMC meeting minutes at 2 Eastern, 1 Central, noon Mountain, 11 a.m. Pacific. It's another way of putting it, Hassan. Crude's had fallen under 74. And there's the push up. All your bases belong to us. Struggling back to get back about 38.68 half. It's a good question there, G. Push back down. Yep. Crude's still falling. Crude chart you see just falling for almost an hour now. Free fall. 50 points, Burl? I mean, I guess it's possible. What am I sharing, RJ? Oh, Mr. G, his zones. Mr. G, what were those zones again, if you wouldn't mind sharing them again? I know the top zone was 38.90 to 39.06. I forget what the bottom zone was. "90 seconds till news." Hanging here. We are 40 seconds from getting jolted by the JOLTS report. $15. Little whippy here right before the report. Whoa. Big move down, 5.5, but whipping back up. Nope, down, up, down, up. Wow, 13 points down. Does not like the news. Boom. Down to 54, 25, and pushing further down. 53. Bouncy though. Bounced back up already from 52 all the way up to 59. Yep, gap is closed. It's back up, all the way back up to 6. It's still. Let's go look at the numbers while it decides what it wants to do. US ISM manufacturing PMI actual 48.4, forecast was 48.5, so that was pretty close. US JOLTS job openings actual 10.45, expected was 10.05. US ISM manufacturing prices paid 39.4, expected was 42.9, so that seems like a big miss. But big bounce. Wow, right back up. So got all the way down to 52, is already back up to 66, so already a 14-point bounce. Crude bounced as well. Let's see where we go from here. You can see NQ bopped all the way down to 923, is already back up to 970, so 50-point bounce there. And ES is now back above that candle and pushing hard up and back up into the 70s. Burrow's watching his like a roller coaster. Well, there's 75. 77, 75, 78, 75 was the high. We just burst new high today, 38.80. Pulling back a bit there from 38.80 down to 38.76. Wild and crazy. You see, 2 out of the last 3 candles has actually burst through that third standard deviation Bollinger Band there. And big pullback. 80 back down to 72, now down to 67. Wow, this is just quite a ride. Gee, we did trade above 38.75 for all of like 3.5 seconds. Pushing back down through that 100 and 200 EMA. And we bounce again. back under 38.60. Wow, big push down to here again, down to boom, down to 38.50. Falling, free falling. Cat's yelling at me. Guess he was long. Hit 49, bounce back up to 55 that quick. Watching. Tried to bounce, but it's getting beaten down. Beaten like the proverbial redheaded stepchild. What did I say the low of the day was? Does anybody remember? Does anybody remember? Low of the day was first candle, 38.39. We're about 10 points away from the low of the day. Down to 46. What's your stop, Burrow? $45, $44, just falling like a rock now. Yeah, after seeing this break here and this strong red candle here, I should have got in for this ride. Got down to 38.43, 4.4 points above the low day. A little bounce back up to 48. Waiting those waffles from Ace. Bet you he put his kids ahead of me. Oh. Continuing. See, it's getting beaten down again. Ah, man. Sorry to hear that, JC. What's UV doing? Up, down, bounce, back down. Crude trying to hold on to 74. Copper back down. And gold back to falling. As is ES trying to push back down. ES is descend. The descent. This ES is fall, slowing down. I speak good English. Maybe a little bit of consolidation here. Oh, nope. Maybe. Up, there's the push. Push. Nope. Bounce. Hit 42.25. Bounced up about 3 points. Trying to stay away from that overnight low. Okay, good luck, Dakota. Pushing down again. Now about 2 points away from the Globex low. There it is. Push down to 38.39.5. 38.39.25 was the low. And it just broke it down to 38.37. 38.36 even. Sorry, Burl. Crude. Wow. Big breakdown on crude there as well, down to 73.50. Ultra Bond is giving Dakota fits there, sticking at 137.29. About a 5-point bounce there on ES. So in the matter of 10 minutes, we saw a 43-point drop from high a day to low a day on ES. Up, yep, there it goes. There's pushing down for Dakota. Like to see a good push. Unless it's like someone pushing someone into traffic. That's bad. Yeah, there's a bounce back up to 44. It's playing with you, Dakota. Crude bounce. So we got down to 38.36. We bounced up to 38.46. So 10-point bounce. There you go, Dakota. Nice burst down. Great trade, Dakota. Hanging around 38.45. Good morning, Prince. How you doing? So here's the bounce. Trying to get back up to 38.50. Yep, so far so good, Prince. 3 for 3 on trades. FYI, for those of you trading on Rhythmic, I'm seeing reports of in various discords of Rhythmic issues. So it means I might be staying flat since I'm on Rhythmic on Apex. Well, a rest can be good. So those of you on Rhythmic accounts, be careful, please. How bad, Hassan? Good. Back up to the EMA here on ES and then rejecting. Let's see if it can get above. Yes. And I don't know. I'm seeing someone that's on Earn a Trade said Apex was acting up. I don't know whether it's acting up or not. It. I mean, I guess it depends. I know usually it only affects the one server, so I mean, I don't know. I'll still be careful. I'm not seeing any real. I mean, I'm not. I'm watching the Apex chart on NinjaTrader. It seems like it's okay. I don't know about placing an order. Yeah, Apex and UProfit both have their own Rhythmic servers. And we're just kind of watching here. Got about 40 minutes left to go on the stream. We'll see if we get anything else. I mean, I'll chance a trade if there's a good setup. Yeah, I mean, I will say that since Apex got off the regular paper trading server, and on their own server, there's been less problems overall for Rhythmic. I really think that the sheer amount of Apex accounts that were on the paper trading server was causing an issue. So I think it definitely helped everybody, both Apex and everybody else, for them to get off that server. Price action's gotten just a tad boring right now as we wait. It's trying to push up. I think we'll all be very happy once everybody has Tradovate and CQG. So just kind of watching here, trying to see what it wants to do. There you see curling back up. What did agriculture do at the open? Agriculture has been kind of up and down. Copper coming down. Gold, look at that big dip. Ultra bonds made a new high day earlier. And new low a day on crude. Push down there on ES. Pushing down. Technically, that right here was a trigger candle and it would have worked. But kind of lulled me to sleep there for a second. Nice. I love the way you can just move between between UB and ES. I just need to hack in Dakota's machine and copy trade him. Bounce back up. Up and down, up and down. Big move back down. Have a great day, Dakota. Great job again. Great start to the new year these last 2 days for you. See, crude has gotten above the line. Try to push up. ES is kind of indecisive. Yeah, he does seem to be a very disciplined trader. Just hanging here now at 38.45. All of a sudden, my allergies just started acting up. So, sorry if you hear me sniffling a bit. I'm going to find my allergy med. And we're heading up. Or sitting here at 38.47, you can see we're kind of consolidating. It's trying to push up. I kind of like this up, down, and then trying to push up move here. We're going to take a long here. Out there, quick move. Got 7 ticks off of that. Should have stayed in. I'm letting things get me out too early, but even so, that was a 7-tick winner. Yeah, I should have definitely stayed in. But that now puts me up $375 on the day. And I'm 4 for 4. And now you see it coming back down. So, I mean, yeah, I could have got more out of it, obviously, but I could have got another 2 points. There's the pullback. Thank you, Speed Racer JC, Pamela. And hello, Pamela. Nice to see you. And pulling right back. You see Crude also pulling back there. Thank you, Avi. Pulling back. Technically, this is a trigger candle, but I don't like it here. Oh, sorry to hear that, John. Still, that's a very manageable loss. I think it's trying to push down, but buyers look like they're trying to come in. Bitcoin really not moving. Hogs falling. Be careful of falling hogs. Push back down there on NQ as well. It's a good point, JC. Very good point. Copper trying to bounce. Natural gas with a nice move up. Oh, another bounce on gold. Gold's very bouncy today. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, it's a surprise I have any viewers when I do stuff like that. And this is pushing down. Like I said, this would have been a trigger candle. I would never take that with that wick there. But this would have worked as a trigger candle. And I'd like to report that obviously I took that trade on Apex, had no trouble with Phil getting in, getting out with a market order. Obviously, I don't use limit orders there, but no issue at the Apex server, at least on that trade. Have a great day, Matt. Hope it was a green day for you. Another move up, and I was thinking about taking that because of this up, down, and then back up move. Seems like we are heading in that direction. Okay, excellent. Yeah, so awesome that. And pulling back. Struggling to get it up above that 53 area. It's hit its head on it 3 times here. And again, rejecting down from that 53. 25 minutes left here. There's try to push through this 53 area again. Can it do it? Can it do it? Watching it. We are on the edge of our seats. Not really. I'm sitting back. It's trying. It's trying. It's not going anywhere. Once again, one more reminder that today is FOMC meeting minutes this afternoon. So if you're trading into the afternoon, be mindful of that. Probably best to be flat when that hits at 2 Eastern. And again, it cannot really get above that level. It got a couple ticks higher. Pull back again to 50. Let's see if it tries another bounce off the CMA. Non-believers in what? Push through. And one last call to hit that like button if you've enjoyed today's stream or are enjoying today's stream. Appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. How's everybody's P&Ls looking today? We know Dakota did very well today. Matt was green. That's okay. It's still preserving capital if you didn't see your setup there, Prince. Green on the screen's good as long as you didn't accidentally spit green lime Kool-Aid on it. Still hanging his 38.50 area. Uh, don't remember. I think I blew up that eval and I got a new eval. I have an ETF I haven't traded in a couple of days. This Apex account's now in the positive. This is a 50K Apex that you see me trading right now. And I'm up $283 on it total. I was negative. But the last 2 days have been very nicely green, so gonna continue that momentum. The earn to trade account is still in trouble. It's about $400 from blowing. So I gotta try and start nursing that back to health. I'm right now I'm trading regular ES. When I trade the earn to trade account, I'll be trading the micro because of the drawdown issue. We are just hanging around 38.50. Ultra bond kind of stagnant now after a nice little fall. Copper hanging out. Natural gas hanging out. Everything seems to have lost its oomph. We seem to be lacking oomph. But here's ES finally trying to break. Well, it's trying to break above that level. There we go. Wow, big move up. Boom. Quick burst. Hit the 200. Can it continue? So finally broke out of that range. Just trying to gain everything back it lost at the open. There's the break of the 200. No, I would almost. This looks like a reversal. Let's see if it reverses. Hit 38.59.75. See if it pulls back any. Nope. Pushing up. Ouch, Prince. Yeah, sometimes those cheap evals they're hard to take serious, or you're. It's just sometimes I wonder if the cheap evals are a double-edged sword. A big push here. So technically, this was a trigger candle once it broke through these EMAs, but I thought we might reverse. So obviously, I didn't take that one. Here we're back up to 64. I don't know if Burrell's still in his trade or not, but he's back above his entry point if he is. Hang in there, 64 now. So hanging almost, over the last two candles, we went up about 11 points. So, I mean, I guess you could maybe call this that whole 10:30 reversal. It was a little bit late, but I mean, it started around that time, this chop, and then whoosh. Or wait, whoosh is usually down. Need a sound for up. Boom. Uh, why do I leave at 10 a.m. and not lunch? Market seems to start slowing down around 10 Central, 11, Eastern, and just because, because I'm trading isn't paying my bills yet, I still gotta do stuff that pays my bills. Oh wow, big move down there on crude. I think that's a new low a day on crude. We're hanging here, pulling back. So, ooh, wow, look at that move on crude. Boom. That was a 30 tick candle. So anyway, I would be open to streaming longer if if I could maybe secure another sponsor or you know uh, find a way to make this start making me more money. Hang in here. Crude bounce big there. So that was a 29 tick candle down, 16 tick candle back up. I wasn't really paying attention to it the last couple of weeks. I'm going to start paying attention. As a matter of fact, if you go to now, this won't be it'll be the stream P&L, not my full day. I'll try and start doing full days here soon. But now on the thumbnails for the videos, give me a second here. Once the stream is done, I will be updating the thumbnails. And you can see here, like, give me a second. You can see here on this thumbnail that I updated it where it shows the total trades taken on stream, the wins, the losses, and the total P&L for the stream. And those will be, I'll start updating them each day after the stream's done with the stream stats. Then once I start doing full day reviews, then you'll see the winning percentage of each account, etc. $38.62. Yeah, I'm gonna start keeping better track of things this year. Try and keep better accountability of my stats, and try and show more of my journey to hopefully being a consistent and profitable trader this year. Well, you too, Crypticon. You got really quiet. Did you trade it all today? I don't think I've seen you for like the last 2.5 hours. Glad to hear that, Crypticon. Yeah, it's tough, but I've always said it's mainly psych, not taking the trades that I know should work, and then doing something stupid after I didn't take the trade and all that. So, you know, I think I got this. I mean, I hope. $200 a day is all I need. $200 a day. So we're consolidating here after that quick burst up. Got up to 38.65 and it's kind of hanging here. Trying not to move my stop either. Trying, but yeah, I mean, I do move my stop only because I have a weird ATM in there. I got to figure out what kind of ATM I want to use or what type of stop I want to use. That that first trade, or I can't remember if it was first or second trade, was a wider stop than I normally use, and that's the way they kept me in that trade. I came within one tick of stopping me out. Normally I was using a 2 to 3 point stop, and I don't know, it just doesn't seem wide enough. But yeah, I'm going for only a 2 to 3 point target often, so I don't want to end up running a negative reward or risk to reward. So it's trying to find the balance. Just seems like when I was trading NQ, it's easier to come up with at least a higher target than stop than it is with ES. You see ES just kind of struggling to get above this 65 area. There's the push. We were in this consolidation right before the open, and we broke down, broke up, broke down. So the Apex account over the last 2 days, $500 to the positive. Crew breaking down. Trying to get below 73. ES popped a little bit there up to 67. Wow. Look at that crew. Wow. Down to 72.93. Pop back up above 73. But what a move down there. See if there's any news there that prompted that, or if it's just flying here. not seeing anything. I just see the bounce. So guys, I think we're going to call it there. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Great day today. 4 wins, 0 losses, 375. Take that every day of the week if I can get it. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back here tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time for another round of fun and excitement in the futures market. Have yourselves a great day, everybody. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.